Hello to all my lovely students. Welcome back to the channel Sonakshi at NEET Biology World. Today's topic of discussion is platyhelminthes. In the last class, we have discussed about ctenophorans. So in this class, we will discuss about the phylum Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes are also called flatworms. Okay. Why they are called flatworms? Because the body is dorso-ventrally flattened. Means from the dorsal and ventral side, it is flattened. So they are flat in shape. That's why they are called platyhelminthes. So here they are also called flatworms. Okay, so one by one, point wise, we will discuss. Coming to habit, mostly they are endoparasite. Mostly they are endoparasite. What does it mean? Endoparasite? Endoparasite means they are staying inside the body. There are some parasites who are staying outside the body like leech lice. But here platyhelminthes mostly they are endoparasite. Okay, they will stay in the gut or in the blood. So they are endoparasite, but mostly. Example, tapeworm, fluke, they are endoparasite. But some of them are free living. They don't need host to live. Example, planarians. Okay, planarians. We will discuss. The example is Deugesia. Okay, so planarians are free living. Coming to level of organization. In the level of organization, we already discussed when we have discussed about basis of classification. They are triploblastic. Okay, triploblastic means they have ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. Triploblastic. But their level of organization is organ level. Okay, triploblastic, organ level of organization means tissues will form the particular organ. Okay, so they are triploblastic, organ level, but their body is dorsoventrally flattened and they don't have coelom. That's why the condition is called acoelomate condition. Okay, so they are acoelomate, but between the gut wall and body wall there is a cellular layer which is present, and this layer will be called as parenchyma. Okay, so between body wall and gut wall, the cellular layer will be called as parenchyma. Okay, but they are acoelomate. The mesoderm will not form the body cavity which is called coelom. So here they are acoelomate. Coming to nutrition, as they are endoparasite. Okay, as they are endoparasite, so endoparasitic form will not have any digestive system. They will take or absorb the nutrients directly from the host. Okay, so endoparasite, not having digestive system. And I will write in bracket that they can directly absorb nutrients from host. So this is also coming under parasitic adaptation. Means when the parasite will live in the body, they do not have or they do not require the unnecessarily organs or organ system. So here digestive system is completely absent in parasitic form. But in the free living form, digestive system is present, but it is blind sac type, means only one opening will be there which will act as mouth and anus. So in free living, blind sac type digestive system, and there will be only one opening which will act as mouth and anus. Okay, mouth and anus. Okay, coming to parasitic adaptations. Parasitic adaptations, if we see, then in the parasitic form, to stay in the host, they have hooks to cling on the host. Okay, we will discuss, or I will show you the picture at the last. So here hooks and suckers are present. Hooks and suckers. Suckers, what is the function of suckers? Suckers will help to suck the nutrients, and hook will help to cling, to be present in the host. Okay, so hooks and suckers present. And also the there is not the absence of the digestive system. Now absence of respiratory circulatory system is also will come under the parasitic adaptation. They have regeneration capacity, they have high reproductive capacity, all will come under the parasitic adaptation. Remember that. Okay, hooks and suckers. So here respiration and circulation, the system or organs are absent for respiration and circulation. So no specific system, as their body is flat and very thin, so there is no requirement of circulation, right? So the oxygen which is present in the host, it will be available to their body, all cells of the body. Coming to respiration, same here, means oxygen, nutrients, whatever required, they will take from the host directly. They don't require that kind of systems. So here respiratory and circulation, or there is no specific system. Coming to excretion, yes, there is a system which is called protonephridia. Protonephridia. And protonephridia will have the special cells. They are called flame cells. So having flame cells. Why they are called flame cells? They are, or they look like flame. So in the flame cells, the excess ions, the excess solute will come in and it will be eliminated from the body. So this will primarily help in osmoregulation, flame cells, and secondarily it will help in excretion. Okay, so primarily it will help in osmoregulation. Osmoregulation means regulation. Osmoregulation means it is the salt, iron or water balance in the body. So if there is any excess iron or excess water, it has to remove from the body, right? So that balance is maintained by the protonephridia or flame cells. But again, secondarily, it will help in excretion, means it will eliminate the nitrogenous waste from the body. So secondarily, help in excretion. So if the question asks that what is the excretory system of the flatworms, the answer will be protonephridia or flame cells. Okay. Coming to next point, which is coordination. Coordination, actually they have cephalization. Okay, so having cephalization. What is means by cephalization? Cephalization means there will be formation of head part will be there. So formation of head. And the nervous system in the ctenophorans and cnidarians, it is net like, but here the nervous system is ladder like. Okay, nervous system is ladder like. Is ladder like means there will be transverse commissure and there will be longitudinal nerve. Okay, so what will happen? There will be like this. This is longitudinal nerve and it will be connected through transverse commissures. This is transverse commissures. Okay, and head is present. Head is also called cerebral ganglia. Okay, so I'll write cerebral ganglia as head. Okay, so remember that nervous system is here ladder like. Okay, coming to reproduction, mostly they are hermaphrodite. Mostly, okay, mostly hermaphrodite, but there is an exception. Exception is cystosoma. Cystosoma is also called blood fluke. Okay, blood fluke, and they are unisexual. Okay, cystosoma is unisexual, means male and females are separate. Okay, now mostly reproduction will occur, or it is occurring by two ways, asexual and sexual. Okay, mode of reproduction. So asexual and sexual mode of reproduction. Okay, and another one what I want to share, that planarians will have high regeneration capacity. It is not the way of reproduction, but if there is any part which is fragmented from the original body part, from there the new organism will generate, okay, form. So planarians will have high regeneration capacity. High regeneration capacity. Now remember that fertilization, here it is internal fertilization. Okay, so fertilization is internal. In ctenofuran, what we have seen, it is external, but here it is internal. Development is indirect, and larval stages is present. Larval stages present. Now I want to share one interesting topic which is called polyembryony. Polyembryony. What is that? From a single zygote, many organisms, many embryo will develop. That's why they have high reproductive capacity. It is the parasitic adaptation. Okay, so here polyembryony is present. Polyembryony means from single zygote, many embryo will develop. Embryo develop. Okay, so this is all about the platyhelminthes. So mostly they are called flatworms. Flatworms means their body is dorsoventrally flat. They are mostly endoparasitic. Some of them are free living. Their body is triploblastic, but they are acylomet, right? Now the excretory system is basically phlegm cells, which is also called protonephridia. Respiratory system is absent. Digestive system is absent. For the endoparasitic form, it is present in the free living form, and it is blind sac type, right? Nervous system, cephalization present. The nervous system is ladder like, not net like. So it is ladder like. Coming to reproduction, they are mostly hermaphrodite, but exception is cystosoma. They are unisexual. Okay. Coming to fertilization, internal, and development is indirect, and they have polyembryony. Polyembryony means from single zygote many embryo will develop. Now they have parasitic adaptation. So this part, parasitic adaptation, will come in the later in the 12th standard. You will also learn, okay, when you will learn about parasitism. So parasitic adaptation, hooks and suckers are present, and they have high regeneration capacity. They have the high reproductive capacity. They have the loss of unnecessarily organ system. So this all form will help to be there in the host. So these are all parasitic adaptation. Let's, as I after every phylum, I want to show you the picture so that you can easily memorize. So first one is free living planarians. This one. This one. This is example of planarians. This is called Deugesia. Okay, Deugesia, or it is also called planaria. It has high regeneration capacity. Okay, they are free living. They are not endoparasite. So Deugesia. Coming to this one is liver fluke. Okay, liver fluke. Okay, it is like it is leaf like, right? Leaf like. So leaf like. You can see here. So this is called fasciola. Sorry, the fasciola. Okay, they are called liver fluke. So planarians and their fluke. Now what about tapeworm? This is tapeworm. Okay, this is called tinea. Tinea. Most common form is tinea solium. They are called tapeworm. Okay, you can see here, this is hooks. Hooks. And this is suckers. Hooks will help to cling on the surface of the host, and suckers will help to suck the nutrients. Okay, hooks and suckers are present. You can see the body is dorsoventrally flat, right? And this is the example of cystosoma. Cystosoma. This is also called blood fluke. As I told, they are unisexual, and female will stay inside the body of the male. So this one is female and this one is male. So they are unisexual. Okay. So here we have discussed about 4 example: Deucecia, that is planarian, and then Tinea, that is tapeworm, Fasciola, liver fluke, and Cystosoma, blood fluke. Okay. Coming to, let's check what NCERT is saying. You can see here the phylum Platyhelminthes. Okay. They have dorso-ventrally flattened body. That's why they are called flatworms. So dorso-ventrally flattened body is there. These are mostly endoparasite, but it is mostly. Some free living also will be there, which is planarians, including human beings. They are staying in the human being. Not only human beings, they can stay in the cattle, dog. Okay, so dog tapeworms are there. Anyway, so flatworms are bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic, but acoelomate. Remember that. Triploblastic, mesoderm is present, but they don't have the cavity, body cavity. That's why they are called as acoelomate. And they have organ level of organization. Hooks and suckers are present in the parasitic form because they have to stay. These are parasitic adaptation. I have discussed. Some of them absorb nutrients from the host directly through the body surface. Who? That parasitic form, right? Specialized cells called flame cells, which is also called protonephridia, right? Helps in primarily in osmoregulation, secondarily in excretion. Okay. Sexes are not separate, but mostly. Okay. Cystosoma is the exception. Fertilization, internal and development is larval stage, means it is indirect. Some members like planaria possesses high regeneration capacity. They have 2 mode of reproduction, asexual and sexual mode of reproduction. Okay. But planaria will have high regeneration capacity. Example, only 2 is given: Tinea and Fasciola. Tinea is tapeworm, Fasciola is liver fluke, Fasciola hepatica, liver fluke. Okay. So this is all about the platyhelminthes. Now once again, if you read line by line, word by word, and if you follow my class, all the topics will be covered as per the NEET. All the explanation will be given. So read well, revise well, and follow my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much.